Everybody, we got this fan here, the one I wanted to do after that other one. So I've had this already, like in my collection video. I think I showed it, and I know for a fact I showed it. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. We can start turning it on low. Let me find the chain. Get back some. Okay, we should do medium speed now. Hold on. I think this is medium. It's gotta be. Okay, time for the grand finale. Okay, now this is high. Okay, so this is the end of this one. I'm going to move on to the next fan now.